to switch to a creator account on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch to a creator account from a personal or a business account. Okay, so first up, go to your Instagram homepage, click on the top three bars on the right corner, click on settings and privacy, and then you're going to scroll down until you see account type and tools for professionals. Click on that and it'll give you the option to switch to a professional account at the top. Click on that and you can just say continue, continue, continue. Then you can just pick what best describes you, click on done, and then you will have the options to switch to a creator or a business account. Then you can just click next and it will give you a few logistics to fill in, and that is that. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.